friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a beautiful lion together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw the nose with a curved line and a horizontal line. Draw a small vertical line under the nose. Draw 2 curved lines for the mouth. Draw 2 small triangles for the teeth and a small horizontal line for the chin. Trace the outline of the muzzle, starting from the nose with a curved line, a semicircle, and close the outline with another curved line. Now draw 2 small ellipses on top for the eyebrows. Draw the outline of the head like I do. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw a zigzag line and 2 semicircles for the first ear. And then do the same thing for the second one. Now trace the outline of the mane. First draw the tufts on the head, then the ones on the face. Now draw the first front paw with a curved line, a semicircle, a horizontal line, then go back up with an elongated S-shaped line. Draw a curved line for the paw and 2 small lines for the toes. Do the same thing for the second front leg. Now draw a curved line between the paws. Trace the outline of the body, first a curved line, then a semicircle. Draw the first hind leg with a curved line, a vertical line, a semicircle, a vertical line, then a curved line for the thigh. Draw a curved line for the paw and 2 vertical lines for the toes. Now draw the second hind leg following the shape of the first one. Draw the semicircle for the paw and 2 vertical lines for the toes. Draw a curved line for the belly and then 2 curved lines between the legs. Draw the tip of the tail in a raindrop-like shape. With 2 curved lines, draw the tail, and then 3 lines inside the tip. Wow! Our lion turned out really well! Good job! colors. Use black for the eyes and nose. Use orange for the first ear, face, body, pose, and tail. Use yellow for the inner part of the ears, muzzle, belly, and tips of the pose. Use red for the eyebrows, mane and tip of the tail. Excellent! Our lion friend is ready to join his herd. Goodbye friends, see you soon!